Alrighty, so right now I am going to clean my mop. It's been a minute since I've cleaned it. Had it for like about a month, maybe two. And so, yeah, probably gonna clean it out so that I can like actually clean my floors, because it's been relatively dirty, and honestly, the more it gets dirty, the less it actually cleans the floors. So it's just kind of like spreading the germs around. So yeah. So basically what I'm gonna do now is just fill this bucket up with water and then wring out the mop until it runs clear. So yeah, oh, I got some decorations up and whatnot. It's kind of cool. So I got the bucket of water, you can see. So just going to begin the process of dipping the mop in and wringing it out, and then yeah. Honestly, this mop is really gross. After a while, it's kind of cleaning. But isn't it beautiful? What I like about this mop is that it like has this thing, like wind it up. I mean, it's looking semi-clear as I'm reading now, but yeah, I just had to change up that angle. The saturation, or it was just not really that good of. It was too dark, pretty much. This one's a little bit better, so yeah. This water's so nasty. I think I'm gonna put my shoes on or something, because the water's kind of gross. So this shit is so fucking cool. Like, I don't really know what brand it is, but like, I don't know. You take the thing and it like pops up on here, and then it like winds up the thing, and you just twist and it squeezes it out. And you just kind of pull. I don't know, I thought it was really innovative for a mop or like a household item. Especially if cause like Swiffers can be super, you know, they're not very cost effective in my opinion. I feel like Swiffers are, you know, not for the average working person. Because like you have to buy the like detergent thing that attaches to the Swiffer, and then you have to buy like the pads, and overall it's just, I don't know. This mop, I mean, this and like the detergent that I use, which I'll show you in a minute what exactly I use to wash my floors. It's like, I don't know. I inherited this mop, which it's called a Libman by the way. So shout outs to Livman. I don't know. Doubt those sponsor me. It's like basic bitch YouTuber out here. Probably not gonna hear about me. But yeah. I just thought that was really cool. Thought it was really cool and neato household cleaning toy. There it goes, all the nasty things in my mop. It's pretty gross. Well, they didn't say it was gonna be easy. What the fuck? Oh my gosh. Someone's getting a ticket. Oh shit. Hold on. Update. So update, just got to finish wringing out the mop and stuff, and now I pretty much was just, you know, doing the same thing over, wringing out the bucket, wringing out the mop and stuff, but I just got through soaking the mop in bleach, so yeah, so it's a little more hygienic and whatnot, and then yeah, pretty much wraps up, you know, me cleaning my mop and things. Oh my gosh, the cops were just here, and I don't really know why. I don't really know what happened. I assume that maybe there was, because it was teenagers and things, they're probably, you know, being rowdy or something or whatnot.